Welcome to the Marriott Vacation Club's Aruba Surf Club. We're going to go ahead and get checked in, and then I'll take you with me as we take the first peek at our suite. Now, we stayed in room 7403, and you're going to want to remember that number because you do not want to request this room. It started out great. Here we have our little kitchenette. These are so handy with the small refrigerator, the microwave. There were dishes for 2 people, a coffee maker, and a toaster. And then right next to that was the restroom. And as you can see, it was perfectly adequate. It had a nice shower. Showers in Marriott Vacation Clubs always come with shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. Swinging around here to the sink area, there was more than enough space for us to keep all our things on the counter. There was a blow dryer provided, as well as a magnifying mirror. Hey there, looking kind of tired after our trip in, but very excited to be here. Now, in the front entryway, there was also this hall closet, which as you can see had tons of hangers, an ironing board, the bedding for the makeout couch, and a safe. Now let's head into the main space. The main space here had a table for 2. We mainly just put our stuff on this table. We never ate in the room, we always ate outside. And as you can see, the suite is actually a really good size room. This is a king size bed. We had plenty of plugs to charge all of our devices, and it was actually quite a comfortable bed. That's the pull-out sofa, so if you had kiddos coming with you, they could sleep on the pull-out sofa. And then let's go check out the view, shall we? Now, we got this room as an exchange through Interval International, so you just never know what you're gonna get. Sometimes you get the air conditioner. Now, I wasn't thrilled about this room, but I will tell you, I still sat outside, and I still actually really enjoyed my vacation, despite that really crummy view. After all, this was the view at sunrise. You could hardly see the air conditioner at all. Now, the only thing that I really hated about this room was, look at where the light switch is to the bathroom. It's outside. I really wanted it to be on the inside wall, but it was out here. Other than that, it was a great vacation. Now, just as an FYI, they have started renovations on all of the rooms in the Aruba Surf Club, so by the time you get there, it might look like this. Enjoy!